What's up, guys? It's day 2 in the Boracay Daily Vlogging adventure. Nga pala, I forgot to tell you, I'm trying to daily vlog, guys. I'm just like, it's summer na kasi sa amin. So like, look, nagpakulay na rin ako. So yeah, summer mode on. Okay. So, I just woke up. I legit just woke up, guys, and I'm about to eat breakfast na. I'll probably show you what I'm gonna eat. I don't know yet. Probably not. Guys, I wanna eat. I just woke up. I washed my face. I'm just like, okay, I'm gonna vlog. I gotta start talking in my vlogs for the daily vlog because why would I call it vlogging if I wouldn't be talking? Okay, yes, guys, I'm gonna eat. Bye. We are done with breakfast and lunch. So I'm just gonna go swim na first because 3:45 pa kami susunduin for the cocktail party, which I'm not gonna go to. So I'm just gonna go to the game room, guys, and play billiards. I will be vlogging there anyway. So yeah, I'm just gonna swim. Okay, bye. So we just arrived at the Shangri-La Boracay and we are on the way to my tita's hotel room over there. So we're gonna ride elevators and stuff. And guys, it's so nice here because like, bro, it's great. Okay, so for today, agenda for today, we're just gonna play in the game room while the rest are having cocktails. Yes. Gee.
From the very first time I placed my eyes on you, girl, my heart said follow you. But I know now that I'm way down on your line. But the waiting feel is fine. In life I know there's lots of.
What will I say?
Ikaw bahala. It's too close. Wait, bring it farther. There. Yeah. Ay. Off to the game room. Tito run. Yeah. Guys, we are adventuring in...
dadaan naman tayo sa bato.
Yeah!
Nuna.
We are adventuring in... sa Shangri-la Boracay. And we are... may pagka nawawala. But that's okay because may map daw. Pero wala naman kami maintindihan sa map, but that's okay. Hello everybody, so we are in the entertainment area of Shangri-la Boracay and we're just playing. We are just playing basketball now. So I just finished, I got 50. I know guys, I'm pano. So I'm just gonna go again later. Tapos, we're gonna go ping pong and then foosball and billiards.
She's playing ball. Wait, I think that was too near.
I took a break na muna. So, now at the Jill and Tita Ron are playing. So, after this, billiards na guys. So guys, hindi nyo nakita mukha ko because it's dark. But we are on a golf cart on the way back to the room. Kasi, joke na dito na pala kami. We just, thank you po. Boom, okay. So, we just finished wala akong makita sa ground. We just finished playing in the game room. So, now we are on the way back to the room. And, we're just gonna play cards na there because they're still in cocktails and that's gonna finish at like 7 or 7:30. So guys, I didn't start this vlog, so this is gonna be like a mini vlog, like a raw vlog, a mini raw vlog. Yes, okay. So, I already have my makeup and I got my hair done, And now I'm on the way to the other room. Kasi guys, oh my gosh, dalawa kwarto namin. Isa sa lola at lola ko. Isa sa tita at tita ko. So, like, it's so far guys. It's 113 and 107. So like, paikot-ikot ako now to get my stuff from one room to wake up in the other room. And then doorbell. So, we're still at Shang, and then I'm entering the room.